worth of it. Get the worth of this too. Estrada firing back.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Chocolatito Gonzalez kontra Juan Francisco Estrada, ang una nilang tagpo. Yan ang tampok natin sa video ito. Muli nating balikan at sariwain ang una nilang bakbakan. November 17, 2012 sa Los Angeles, California sa Amerika, naganap ang laban ng dalawa para ito sa pagdepensa ni Gonzalez sa kanyang WBA World Light Flyweight title. Bit-bit ng Mexican challenger na si Estrada ang impresibong kartada na 26 wins, only 1 defeat, 20 via KO, habang ang defending champion na si Chocolatito ay may mas impresibo at perpektong kartada na 33 wins, 0 loss, 28 via KO. 5'3 lang ang champion at 25 ang edad, habang 5'4 naman ang challenger at 22 pa. Pareho ding orthodox ang style nila. Sa gabi ng laban ng didaluhan ng napakarami nilang fans ay sobrang naging mainit ang banggaan nila sa Ibabaw ng Lona, na ang mga fans ay talagang walang kahit kunting panghihinayang sa kanilang binayaran dahil sa sobrang lupit ng bakbakan. Unang round, mas agresibo agad itong challenger na Mexican. Nagpapakawala agad ng kanyang mga kamao, habang ang kampiyon ay pasimpleng pinapakiramdaman lang muna ang lakas ng kamao nitong Meksikano.
Taking a couple punches early, but he's just trying to get, he's got speed on his chest. And again, El Choco. The winner of this fight most likely will get the winner of our main event coming up next. Make no mistake of it. Just a meal. I tell you what, so maybe the second round, he might pick it up a little bit. Yeah, you have.
Pero sa mga huling segundo, bumitaw na rin ang mga solidong kombinasyon itong kampiyon na bahagyang nagpaatras kay Estrada. Tila ramdam na agad ang lakas nitong kampiyon na taga Nicaragua.
And now Gonzalez starting to open up. Adversity when Gonzalez starts ramping. Very hard to pick off. Well, you can see that right there might be four short.
Second round, medyo bumaliktad ang takbo ng laban. Ang kampiyon na naman ang mas agresibo dito, umaabante habang nagpapakawala ng kanyang mga malalakas na kamao. Pero ang challenger dito ay di rin nagpapalugi, kumakaunter din, pero tila hindi iniinda ng kampiyon ang mga kamao nitong Meksikano.
And you know, we talked about the punching, 22 wins. Well, that gets to show you that he can punch too. But you know what, he gets to see how well he can take it. If he can take the good punches, this will be a long night tonight. Trying to cut the ring off on Estrada. Left hook downstairs. Left upstairs, all right. And Estrada does not want to be there. And he slides out. Being on that rope with El Chocolatito Gonzalez. Gonzalez has defended his title 3 times, each against a Mexican. Big right hand by Gonzalez. Estrada as he moves away.
Third round, tuloy ang laban. Kahit makikitang mas makamay itong challenger na si Estrada, ay mga solido naman ang tumatama sa katawan at mukha sa Meksikano mula sa kamao nitong si Chocolatito, na talagang kung makakatama itong kampiyon ay mapapansing mapapatras talaga ang challenger sa lakas ng suntok niya.
And he's not standing there too long. And I think they know this, and the punches that he's landing, they're not easy punches. They're punches that you feel. The pure pressure, I think, is now getting to Estrada. And the crowd is deafening inside the Los Angeles. Hope that these guys can stop that blood, because if not, he's going to have a problem breathing. There's another cut over the right. Gonzalez, champ, is that 6-inch left hook. Very going in for it. And this is what he needs to do.
Sa mga sumunod na mga round, patuloy ang maaksyong salpukan. Agresibo pa rin talaga ang kampiyon. Dahan-dahan na rin namamaga ang mukha ng magkabilang kampo. Dagdag mo pa ang dumudugong ilong nitong Meksikano mula sa kamao ng champion na si Chocolatito. Kahit napaka-agresibo nitong si Gonzalez, ay talagang matibay din itong challenger na si Estrada. Tumatama ang mga counter at mga kombinasyon na nagsimulang nagpaalog na rin sa ulo nitong kampiyon.
Move backwards, you can't move on the side. I mean, you good, but right there he fought real good off the ropes that time.
He just landed 2 crushing blows off the ropes.
And that's what he got to do, stay right there. If you're going to fight him in the middle, just like that.
Estrada!
Because you don't have no room to throw punches on the rope. That's what you got to do. You got to keep doing that. You got to keep throwing those punches. This is a great fight, Mike.
The sound is deafening inside the
ropes. You stay off those ropes, and he can move. But stay on the ropes, he's going to get hit. Just like he's doing, he's getting hit. Laying on the ropes.
And the champion landed a good right hand, but Estrada... This Estrada is tough.
And I tell you, Garcia got hurt that time too.
Tito Ramon Gonzalez on the left, Juan Francisco Estrada. Estrada now starting to find his timing, starting to put those punches together.
Good right from distance from Chocolatito, has Estrada on the ropes now.
You know, I don't think he's fighting.
We've topped everything so far. Look at that right hand by Estrada. Left by Estrada.
Estrada's doing what he got to do. He's backing up, standing around, he's throwing that left hook. That left hook is getting in there, even though he's still getting the pressure put on him.
But not taking it easy, coming out and giving it everything.
One of the things about these Latin fighters, Mike,
this is a life or death fight.
These Latin fighters, they come out and they fight.
Live on Wealth TV, we've given you everything we said and more. Left, right by the champion. And you know what, champ? There is no quit in Estrada.
You know what, I tell you what, you know, I'm not crazy about little guys.
Combination drove us.
Don't say anything about guarantees right now.
I tell you, Estrada's doing what he's supposed to do, man. He's not staying. You know what?
He's spinning Estrada with that left.
Yeah.
But
what he's got to do is try to...
He's coming back. Watch out for that left hook.
But what he's got to do is stay off those ropes. That's what he got to do, is throw right in the middle of that ring. Like that. Stay right in the middle of the ring and throw punches right back.
You know, Mark, this could be one of the greatest fights in...
Estrada was landing some good combinations and he didn't throw, so I don't know if his pace is slowing down.
7th round, andon pa rin ang palitan ng mga kombinasyon ng dalawa. Pero kahit round 7 na, ay mapapansing ang stamina nila ay tila walang pinag-iba. Andon pa rin ang bilis, tibay at lakas ng dalawa.
There's Estrada back to doing what he did in the first couple rounds, but now getting driven back to the ropes again.
And watch that.
These guys are throwing good body punches.
Pero sa mga huling segundo ay nagpakawala na naman ng kombinasyon itong champion na halos di makasagot sa mga kamaong binabato itong challenger na Meksikano.
A long time. Wow! Look at the champion unloading. Estrada fighting back. Fighting.
It looks good for the crowd when you're on the ropes and you just throw 100.
Round 8, ginulat agad ni Gonzalez itong challenger sa pressure na binigay niya. Kasabay ang mga kombinasyong tumatama sa katawan at mukha. Pero matibay talaga basta Meksikano. Sa dami ng malalakas at solidong kamao na sinalo ay nakatayo pa rin at nakipagsabayan pa sa bugbugan.
By about probably 5-6 punches at a time like Gonzalez is trying to do right now.
Because he's not moving, he's staying back. Yeah, what he's got to do, he got to use the jab, use the right hand, the left hook, and he got to move out of there. Laying on the ropes like this, it ain't no good for him. Not today, not tomorrow, not never. It ain't no good for him.
He came back firing with 4 shots of his own.
Yeah, he come back firing, but they don't mean nothing because he come back firing.
Estrada,
that's what he needs to do.
But Gonzalez stalking Estrada, landing a left hook.
Estrada's not a bad fighter, Mike. He stands in there, he gets the punches back, Mark, he throws combinations, but again, he leans back on that rope, and that's where he gets in trouble. Right there, that's where he needs to be. Throw the punches right there.
Sa mga sumunod na mga round, mas tumindi pa ang laban ng dalawa. Mas maraming kombinasyon at malalakas na bomba ang pinapakawala nila. Walang humpay na mga suntok ang ginawa na talagang tumatama sa kanilang ulo at bodega na mas lalong nagustuhan ng mga nanonood ng live sa arena.
was always to win the first 2 minutes. Always. Because they ain't gonna let no guy beat me on the last minute. So, you know, I always carry a shake for that. There ain't 8 pounds anymore. They might weigh 100 pounds.
Oh, big shot from Estrada.
Great a fight this is.
Let's see if Gonzalez gets back here in round 10. I believe Estrada won round 9 pretty handily. But here they go again.
Well, you know, Gonzalez knew this wasn't going to be an easy title defense, Mark. Not with a guy 22-1 with 17 KOs.
Oh, good right hand from Estrada. And now,
they're all great.
tremendous action. And here comes Gonzalez back with thudding shots.
I tell you, a guy with 17 knockouts can knock you out, Mike. It doesn't really matter. He can punch, but he's just not getting a good level.
And champ, you got to admire the conditioning of these fighters.
They stay in good condition, Mike. Little guys, awesome.
All right.
I'm watching these right hands. He's getting hit with.
Oh, that's
Some shots.
what a round, what a fight as we come to the end of round number 10.
Gonzalez, all he had to do is just keep doing what he's doing.
All right, round 11.
Say that, so don't punch it. Put your
Ramon
punches together.
Gonzalez, the champ, in the blue and white, in the red and white. Juan Francisco Estrada.
I'm surprised it's just now happening. With your hands down.
Unbelievable action. Mark, you may go Estrada unloading inside on the champion.
Because he get hit with a right hand, he's going down.
Good. I can't disagree. This is a high impact, high intensity championship fight.
A good left inside by the champion. Estrada fires back with a right. Double left, right by Estrada.
And this is what he needs to do, stay at the worst of it. Get the worst of this too. He can only
Gonzalez
do
now.
Estrada firing back. This crowd is erupting.
One thing about Estrada, he came here to fight. He ain't come here to lay down.
But he wants this championship now.
I tell you what, he got a great future.
Round 12, tuloy pa rin ang basagan. Ubusan na dito ng lakas, matira ang matibay. Patibayan ng panga at bodega. Ito ang isa sa mga laban na talagang tunay na salpukan. Talagang tunay na tapang. Tibay ng loob at katawan. Lakas ng kamao at kargada sa bodega. Di gaya ngayon na halos lahat ay mukha ng pera. Na kahit di masyadong magaling, basta sikat, ay isasabak na agad.
Land 4 or 5 punches before he takes 12 rounds. If there ain't nothing happening, no, this kid is not going away. He's gonna fight.
Good punching inside by Francisco Estrada.
Estrada is a good fighter. He puts his punches together as he's going down.
Uppercut. Look at Estrada.
And he's landing those punches too. All of those punches.
Oh, the uppercut.
He's not missing. You got to close the show.
This crowd is going wild.
This is unbelievable.
That's the word.
Unbelievable. About the winner fighting the winner of the main event.
Looks like my man is hurt, but he come back throwing a punch again.
And the champion has the challenger on the road.
Throwing his punches. He wakes up, and then I tell you what, these guys are fighting. As I said earlier, people are getting their money worth.
Wow, the champion.
Sa kanilang unang tagpo, panalo si Roman Chocolatito Gonzalez via unanimous decision. Napanatili ang titulo niya at ang malinis niyang kartada, habang itong challenger na si Juan Francisco Estrada ay nalasap naman ang pangalawang ikes sa kanyang karera.
And still champion Roman Chocolatito Gonzalez.
Matapos ang 9 na taong paghahangad ng resback nitong si Estrada, ay nabigyan siya ngayon ng pagkakataong makabawi sa dating tumalo sa kanya na taga Nicaragua sa kanilang pangalawang tagpo. Kanino ka? Chocolatito o El Gallo? Kung ako ang tatanungin mo, Chocolatito ako. Solido. Manalo man o matalo. Anong masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, reaction at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.